To compare states using best places, start by visiting the website and selecting the Compare option. This will take you to a page where you can choose the states you want to compare. You can select up to 4 states at a time, allowing you to easily evaluate different locations. Once you have selected your states, you will be presented with a comprehensive comparison report. This report includes various categories such as cost of living, education, and employment. Each category provides detailed information, including statistics and rankings, to help you understand the strengths and weaknesses of each state. One of the key concepts to focus on is the cost of living index, which provides a relative measure of the cost of living in each state. A lower index score indicates a lower cost of living, while a higher score indicates a higher cost of living. For example, if you are considering moving to a new state, comparing the cost of living index can help you determine which state offers the most affordable lifestyle. Another important category to consider is education. The comparison report includes information on high school graduation rates, college enrollment rates, and student-teacher ratios. This data can help you evaluate the quality of education in each state and make informed decisions about where to live or start a business. In addition to these categories, the comparison report also includes information on employment, housing, and healthcare. By examining these categories, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of each state and make informed decisions about which state best meets your needs. To get the most out of the comparison report, it is essential to carefully review each category and consider your individual priorities. For example, if you have a family, you may want to prioritize education and healthcare, while if you are starting a business, you may want to focus on employment and cost of living. By following these steps and carefully evaluating the comparison report, you can use best places to make informed decisions about which state is the best fit for you. Whether you are considering a move, starting a business, or simply want to learn more about different states, Best Places provides a valuable resource for comparing and evaluating states.